Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. We're gonna start with the unboxing. Finally, Black Friday is here and we have some on sales. The price on these sneakers is 190 euros or 205 US dollars, and in this case they were at 44% off, and that means 98.4 euros or 106.4 US dollars. So that means they were at almost half of the price. I know that the price on these sneakers is still high, but the quality on these sneakers is just amazing. You have to see them in person, they are great. They are made with leather, in and out, and is very plush, very good feeling with this one. On the tongue and lateral panels we have nylon. On the tongue we're gonna find the Diadora heritage logo. The lining inside is made with textile material, I think it's cotton, and very soft leather. The laces on these sneakers, they are very good quality. I think they are made with cotton and they feel great, very premium. The size of these laces is 135 centimeters or 53 inches. The tongue is very well padded with the leather and some foam, I think. It's very soft. In the shot we can see that they are made in Portugal, which is a good thing. The insoles in these sneakers, they cannot be removed. This outsole is quite a complicated made and I really like it. It has different materials and is giving very good cushioning. The Toebox has perforated leather, which is great. I always like this feature on leather sneakers. Here I'm showing you a tour of this sole just to see how well they are glued. And here we have the second sneaker of this pair. shot we can see the materials of these sneakers. Like I said, they are very well padded. You can see here how much foam they have under that leather. Again, another tour around the sneaker just to see how well they are made. And now the weight test in comparison with New Balance 991 Gents Pack. We can see the weight of the Diadora, so 706 grams is around 25 ounces. The weight of New Balance is around 800 grams, which is 28 ounces. So the difference is 100 grams more or less, and that means it's 3.5 ounces. And now a quick physical comparison. The biggest difference I notice is that New Balance has synthetic leather on lining, where Diadora has real leather in the lining. And the soles are very different, and I will explain why in few seconds. Here we have the on-fit shot from upper angle. Although the New Balance has very good cushioning overall, it doesn't compare with the one from Diadora. Diadora has way better cushioning than New Balance. I have to admit that. Diadora has better comfort, reminds me a bit of Ultra Boost. On the other hand, New Balance has a bit wider toe box, and because of that, Diadora feels just a bit more tight than New Balance, although in time it might stretch, of course, because it's leather. So pros and cons. For pros, I will say right now, because they are on sale around 100 euros and dollars, they are great for this price. Very good quality on the materials, very good comfort. Even the laces, they feel premium. I think you get a very good sneaker for that price. For cons, maybe only the price, but as right now they are on sale, I can't complain. For 100 euros is the right price. And other cons, maybe the insole should have been removable, and I wish they were having some reflecting details when I'm using them at night. So my final thoughts on them: if you have the chance to find them in your size and you have the money, 100 euros, I think they are great sneakers. One of the best from all my collection, so don't lose the chance to have them. That is my first impression with them, at least. I will end here my review. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time, and please don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions, just let me know.